Imagine any successful business in India or abroad. All these businesses took the shape of a company to scale up their businesses. So, what exactly is a company? A company is an artificial person in which a set of people called shareholders bring in money, that is equity share capital, and another set of people called directors manage the business affairs of such a company. It is an artificial person which is created by law, and it is distinct from its shareholders as well as its directors. This flowchart will better explain the relationship between the directors, members, and employees. So, the members, that is the shareholders, elect their representatives as the directors on the board of the company, and such directors will have the right to appoint the managers or employees and other managerial personnel to run the show of the company. So here what we need to remember is a member can also be a director and can also be an employee of the company. However, in their individual capacity, they act differently. So your rights as a member will be different from your rights and duties as directors and your responsibility as an employee. To quickly summarize, the members or shareholders of a company, the directors of a company, employees or managerial personnel of a company, and other stakeholders who deal with the company, like that of government, that is tax collecting authorities, customers, suppliers, etc. All these players have got an individual role to play with respect to a company. A company is not equal to its members, is not equivalent to its directors, is not equivalent to its employees or to its other stakeholders. It is distinct, it is an artificial entity which has its own set of rights, and that is what we call as a separate legal entity. By separate legal entity, it exercises many of such rights which a natural person does, like that of right to own property on its own name, right to sue and be sued, right to invest in any businesses or invest in shares or securities, right to borrow monies, and right to contract in its individual capacity. So this way, a company has got its own set of rights which are equivalent to that of any natural person. Similarly, another distinctive feature of a company is that of its perpetual succession. Now, what does that mean? It means that a company shall go on forever irrespective of any change in the directors, members, or its employees. In India, we have many such companies which are run from centuries. And hence, a company is such form of a business which has got a perpetual succession. Understanding of corporate personality is of paramount importance, and this explainer video is an attempt to give you an explanation of what is a company. In a subsequent video, we will come with certain case studies which have paved way to the jurisprudence behind the corporate personality. So do subscribe to Virtualaw and stay tuned to more updates. Thank you.